Yes.
Okay. As we look at this, we can see this is our nares, where the air comes in, passageway. Comes through our nasal meatus, are these little ridges here. Our concha, superior, middle, inferior concha are shown here. You have your frontal sinus, your sphenoid sinus, your ethmoid sinus. Look into the brain, you should remember some of that, right? Our pineal gland, corpus callosum, right? Oh, that's not on this test? Okay. As we move back, this is, of course, our nasopharynx back in this area. This is our pharyngeal tonsil. This is the soft palate, the hard palate. Here's our uvula hanging down here. This opening here is what we call the fauces. The palatine tonsil down here. Our lingual tonsil, you're better off looking at the model of the tongue to show that lingual tonsil because it's not really shown on here. This area right here is our oropharynx. And as we move down, this is our laryngopharynx. Here's our epiglottis. It closes over the pharynx that way, or the larynx, I should say. This is our false folds. These are our true vocal folds here. It's our thyroid cartilage, hyoid bone hanging out there. What else on here am I missing? If we turn and look at this side, you can see our parotid gland here. This is our external jugular vein. This is the internal jugular vein here. This is the common carotid artery. Our transverse vein runs here. You can see this vein running across here underneath the hyoid, or above the hyoid. Our facial veins, this is the anterior facial vein running here. The posterior facial vein runs back this way. Can we see our submandibular gland down here? Got that? Anything else?